Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you remember, I installed a catch can around 5,000 kilometers ago, and this video is just to show the amount of oil that I've got within these 5,000 kilometers. So I'll just drain the oil. Let's go and have a look. So this is where I had my drain. So as you can see, it's not too much, but again, it's just a 5,000 kilometer run. Most of it was on highway, but yeah, I mean, if you're driving for 50,000 kilometers, then probably you'll have a lot. And with a catch can, you can just avoid sending all of that back to your engine. So what I'm also planning to do is that 50,000 kilometers from now, I'll probably get the manifold open, and we'll see the amount of carbon built up. And if there is no carbon built up, then you can see for yourself that this thing really works. But if there is, then of course we will know the results. So let's see what happens in another 50,000 kilometers or so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.